Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to wire Spyder halo headlights. First, ensure your vehicle is safely parked and the engine is off. Gather all your essential tools, such as wire strippers, crimpers, and a reliable multimeter, which will be crucial for identifying correct wires. For your safety, always disconnect the negative terminal of your vehicle's battery before beginning any electrical work. This prevents accidental shorts and protects your vehicle's electrical system. Carefully unbox your new Spyder headlights and familiarize yourself with their components and wiring. Now, let's focus on powering those distinctive halo rings and daytime running lights. Identify the positive and negative wires for both the halos and the DRLs on your new Spyder headlights. For the halo rings, you'll want to connect their positive wire to a switched 12-volt power source, often found by using a fuse tap in your fuse box or by splicing into your existing parking light wire. The DRLs typically require a separate, ignition-switched power source. Always ensure all ground wires are securely fastened to a clean, unpainted chassis ground point for optimal performance. Next, we'll connect the essential low beam, high beam, and turn signal functions. Carefully match the low beam and high beam wires from your new Spyder headlights to the corresponding wires on your vehicle's factory harness. Typically, these are straightforward color-to-color connections, but always verify with a multimeter. For the turn signals, connect the new headlight's turn signal wire to your vehicle's existing turn signal circuit. It's crucial to use high-quality, waterproof connectors or solder and heat, shrink tubing for every connection to prevent moisture intrusion and ensure long-term reliability. With all connections made, it's time for the crucial testing phase. Reconnect your vehicle's negative battery terminal, turn on your vehicle and systematically test every function of your new Spyder headlights: low beams, high beams, turn signals, halo rings, and daytime running lights. Ensure everything operates as expected. If any function isn't working, recheck your wiring connections. Finally, adjust the headlight aimed to ensure proper road illumination and to avoid blinding oncoming drivers. Secure all wiring neatly with zip ties and reassemble any vehicle components you removed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.